How to track your orders on Temu. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, you need to launch your Temu application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged in into your account. If not, log in right now. Once you have successfully logged in, just tap on the U icon at the bottom and head to your orders option. Now right here you'll be able to find your orders being processed, shipped or delivered. It will let you know about the progress in this particular section. If it has been marked as shipped, it will let you know when it will be delivered in your doorstep. And if it has been delivered, it will let you know as delivered. For some reason, if the order details is not available, tap on the headset icon at the top. From here, tap on Contact Us. You need to type in order details not available, then tap on Send. The bot will provide you with a solution. You just have to go ahead and follow along the prompt displayed by the bot. By this way, you'll get the access about your order detail if it is not displayed on the order section. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.